Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Carp, often misunderstood, is actually a fantastic fish for your dinner table. Many people overlook it, thinking it might taste muddy, but with a few simple techniques, you can unlock its rich, earthy flavor. It's an incredibly versatile and affordable option, perfect for any home cook looking to explore new ingredients. Get ready to discover how to transform this humble fish into a truly delicious meal, ready to impress your family and friends. Proper preparation is the first step to a delicious carp dish. Start by scaling and gutting the fish carefully, removing all internal organs and gills. A crucial tip is to find and remove the dark mud vein, a distinct line along the spine, which greatly improves the taste. Afterward, rinse your carp thoroughly under cold running water, ensuring it's clean and ready for the next steps. This foundational work sets the stage for a wonderful meal. To truly enhance carp's natural taste, scoring is a game changer. Make several deep cuts across the fish, helping to break down those small bones and allowing your seasonings to penetrate deeply. Consider brining your carp in a simple salt solution for an hour or two. This firms the flesh and subtly reduces any potential earthiness. Finishing with a bright, acidic marinade, perhaps with lemon juice or vinegar, will perfectly complement its rich flavor profile. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Baking carp is a fantastic option, especially when stuffed with herbs and lemon slices. It keeps the fish wonderfully moist. For a crispy exterior, try pan-frying your scored carp until golden brown and flaky. If you have a smoker, smoking carp introduces an incredible depth of flavor and a tender, succulent texture that's truly unmatched. Each method brings out unique aspects of this versatile fish. Once your carp is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve and savor your creation. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like dill or parsley not only adds color, but also enhances the aroma beautifully. Pair it with simple, complementary sides such as roasted potatoes, a crisp green salad, or steamed vegetables. Take a moment to appreciate the journey from pond to plate and enjoy the rich, satisfying flavors of your expertly prepared carp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.